Hey guys, we are here for hoverboards. I don't know if this is going to be, if I'm going to make part 2 of this, but let's try it out. I don't know what to do, honestly. Oh, that's cool. You just move around. Wait, what's that mean on the bottom? Oh, it's how many blocks I have. Oh god, the hoverboard. Go, Lily! No! Wow. That was cool. Ooh, free kill! Don't mind if I do. Ooh, 100 coins. When I have a quest, okay. Do it. Buzzy! Okay, I'll take it. Okay. Let's see what Buzzy can do. Dang, good handling. One, no, bring it. Dang it. Get free coins? No. I think I want to build a car. Okay. Ooh, customize Hillcraft. Whoa. Can we zoom in? Yes, we can. Oh, this is cool. Well, that even... Yeah, that's it. I'm gonna create a bird. How do I do it? Here we go. Yeah, so, let's just not do this right now. Let's just... Wonder what happens if you survive that long. As long as the meters let you. Oh crap, no. No. Freaking. Oh my fatty. A raider. Yay, a one wide one. Okay. Now that we've got that, we're gonna play some more. We've got an airplane this time. And by the way, if y'all ask games that cost money, I'll see if they have a demo. And if the game's on computer, just don't say it because I don't have money to. Yeah. Get away! Cool. Let's see stuff. Nope. Okay. Lock the cars and help me So anyway, guys, that was hovercraft. Nope. So anyway, guys, that was hovercraft. If you enjoyed, smack that like button in the face. And suggestions, put them down in the comment section below. And see y'all in the next video.